In this video, we can talk about top 5 Perplexity alternatives and competitors. Hey all, welcome to the Alternatives Co-channel. If you are looking for an alternative to Perplexity, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 conversational AI software that can beat Perplexity in terms of brilliant features. The first alternative is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a conversational AI language model developed by OpenAI based on the GPT architecture. It offers features like text generation, sentiment analysis, and natural language understanding. The software's standout feature is its ability to generate human-like responses that are contextually relevant and coherent. Second alternative is Bard. Bard is a conversational AI platform that possesses a unique blend of creativity and productivity to help enhance your imagination and bring your ideas to life. It offers features like voice and text-based interactions, customizable chatbots, and real-time analytics. Bard is best known for its ability to handle complex queries and generate personalized responses. Third alternative is ChatSonic. ChatSonic is a chatbot platform that uses a hybrid approach to natural language processing. It offers features like text expander, paraphrasing, article summarizer, and product descriptions. The software's standout feature is its ability to handle multilingual conversations and generate responses in multiple languages. Fourth alternative is Replika. Replika is a chatbot app that uses machine learning to generate personalized responses based on the user's input. It offers features like emotional intelligence, conversation tracking, and personalization. Its standout feature is its ability to learn from the user's behavior and generate responses that reflect their personality and preferences. Last alternative is Jasper. Jasper is one of the top conversational AI platforms, known for its natural language processing capabilities and ability to process complex queries. It offers features include personalized responses, chatbot customization, and natural language processing. The software's standout feature is its ability to integrate with popular messaging platforms like Facebook Messenger and Slack. Compared to Perplexity, ChatGPT is a more advanced and flexible AI language model, while Bard is focused on creating conversational AI for businesses. ChatSonic is more focused on chatbots for customer service. On the other hand, Replika is a personal AI companion designed to help users improve their mental well-being. Jasper, on the other hand, is a voice-based conversational AI platform. If you're looking for an advanced AI language model, we recommend ChatSonic as the best option for your business needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.